Today we are stepping into the future of electric performance with a deep look at the all-new 2027 Ford Mustang Mach-E, a bold evolution of Ford's electric SUV that blends iconic Mustang heritage with next-generation innovation. This is not just an update, it feels like a complete rethinking of what an electric performance vehicle can be in a world that is rapidly shifting towards smarter mobility, cleaner energy, and more connected driving experiences. The 2027 Ford Mustang Mach-E arrives with a sharper identity than ever before. From the moment you see it, the design language communicates motion even when the vehicle is standing still. The front fascia has been refined with a more aerodynamic shape, featuring a reworked closed grille design that improves airflow while maintaining the aggressive Mustang-inspired stance. Slimmer LED matrix headlights stretch into the fenders, giving it a focused and futuristic expression, almost like the vehicle is constantly scanning the road ahead. The sculpted hood lines and muscular shoulder contours remain true to its performance DNA, but everything now feels more fluid, more purposeful, and more advanced. Moving along the side profile, the coupe-like roofline continues to emphasize sportiness while improving aerodynamic efficiency. Ford has clearly worked on reducing drag, and the result is a smoother silhouette that enhances both range and stability at high speeds. New alloy wheel designs, ranging from 19 to 22 inches depending on the variant, add to its road presence. These wheels are not just about aesthetics, they are engineered with lightweight materials that improve efficiency and handling response. At the rear, the signature tri-bar lighting returns, but now it has been redesigned with a 3D light animation effect that activates during unlocking and charging. The rear diffuser has been subtly enhanced to manage airflow, especially at highway speeds, reinforcing the performance-first identity of the vehicle. The overall exterior experience of the 2027 model feels like a seamless blend of tradition and futuristic design. Step inside the cabin, and the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The interior of the 2027 Ford Mustang Mach-E is centered around minimalism, intelligence, and immersive digital interaction. A curved panoramic display stretches across the dashboard, integrating both the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a single unified interface. This system is powered by Ford's next-generation AI-driven software platform, offering real-time navigation adjustments, predictive charging suggestions, and personalized driving modes that adapt to your behavior over time. Materials inside the cabin have also been upgraded significantly. Sustainable leather alternatives, recycled fiber textiles, and soft-touch ambient surfaces dominate the interior, reflecting a strong commitment to environmental responsibility without compromising luxury. Ambient lighting runs through the doors and dashboard, changing colors based on driving mode, time of day, or even your mood settings. One of the standout features of this futuristic Mach-E is its enhanced voice interaction system. Instead of simple commands, the system now understands conversational context. You can talk to the car naturally, asking it to adjust climate settings, plan charging stops, or even suggest scenic driving routes based on your preferences. It feels less like interacting with a machine and more like communicating with a co-pilot. Performance has always been at the heart of the Mustang identity, and the 2027 Mustang Mach-E takes that legacy seriously. The dual-motor all-wheel drive setup has been refined for quicker torque delivery and improved thermal efficiency. Instant acceleration remains one of its most thrilling characteristics, with select performance trims delivering supercar-like 0 to 100 km/h times while maintaining everyday usability. The battery technology has also taken a significant leap forward. A new high-density solid-state inspired battery architecture offers increased energy storage in a smaller, lighter package. This translates into extended driving range, faster charging times, and improved durability over long-term use. Ford claims that under optimal conditions, the 2027 Mach-E can achieve ultra-fast charging from 10 to 80% in under 20 minutes using next-generation charging infrastructure. Adaptive suspension systems have been further refined to deliver a balance between comfort and performance. Whether you are driving through city streets, winding mountain roads, or cruising on highways, the suspension constantly adjusts in real time to road conditions. This creates a driving experience that feels both stable and responsive, regardless of terrain. Driving modes have also evolved. Beyond the traditional eco, comfort, and sport modes, the 2027 model introduces Intelligent Adaptive Mode, which uses AI to automatically switch between settings based on traffic conditions, driving style, and road topology. There is also a track-inspired performance mode that sharpens throttle response, tightens steering feedback, and maximizes power output for spirited driving sessions. Technology integration is where the 2027 Ford Mustang Mach-E truly stands apart. The vehicle is now part of a fully connected ecosystem that syncs with smart homes, wearable devices, and cloud-based mobility services. Imagine your car pre-conditioning the cabin temperature based on your calendar schedule or suggesting the best time to leave for work based on real-time traffic prediction and weather conditions. Autonomous driving capabilities have also advanced significantly. While full autonomy is still governed by regulatory limitations in many regions, the Mach-E now offers highly sophisticated Level 3 driving assistance in controlled environments. This allows the vehicle to handle highway driving with minimal driver input, including lane changes, speed adjustments, and safe distance management. Safety remains a top priority, with an upgraded sensor suite that includes high-resolution cameras, radar systems, and lidar-assisted mapping. These systems work together to create a 360-degree awareness of the vehicle's surroundings, enhancing collision avoidance and pedestrian detection even in low-visibility conditions. The emotional connection to driving has not been forgotten. Ford has carefully ensured that despite all the automation and intelligence, the driver still feels engaged. The steering feedback has been tuned to provide a natural, responsive feel, and the acceleration response retains that signature Mustang excitement that enthusiasts expect. The 2027 Mustang Mach-E also introduces a new era of personalization. Drivers can create individual profiles that adjust seating position, display themes, driving behavior, sound profiles, and even simulated engine tones. Yes, Ford continues to offer customizable driving soundscapes that allow drivers to experience a futuristic interpretation of Mustang performance acoustics, blending heritage inspiration with electric innovation. Charging infrastructure integration has also improved dramatically. The system now automatically maps out charging stations along your route, checks real-time availability, and even reserves charging slots in advance where supported. This removes much of the uncertainty that early electric vehicle owners used to face. From a sustainability perspective, the vehicle represents Ford's ongoing commitment to carbon neutrality. Manufacturing processes have been optimized to reduce emissions, and many components are now recyclable or made from renewable materials. The overall life cycle impact of the vehicle has been significantly reduced compared to earlier generations. When you combine all these elements together, the 2027 Ford Mustang Mach-E becomes more than just an electric SUV. It becomes a statement about where mobility is heading. It represents a bridge between performance heritage and digital intelligence, between emotional driving and autonomous convenience, between sustainability and excitement. In everyday use, it is designed to be practical enough for family life, spacious enough for long journeys, and exciting enough to remind you that driving can still be fun in the electric age. Whether you are commuting through city traffic, embarking on a weekend road trip, or simply enjoying a quiet night drive, the experience feels elevated, intuitive, and deeply connected. As the automotive world continues to evolve, vehicles like this redefine expectations. The 2027 Ford Mustang Mach-E is not just about getting from one place to another, it is about how you feel during the journey, how seamlessly technology integrates into your life, and how performance can coexist with responsibility. And as we look ahead, one thing becomes clear: the future of driving is not only electric, it is intelligent, adaptive, and deeply personal.